what into it? That makes no sense.
It's not. Okay, I'll show you what I'm talking about.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Because the upper control arm is the only one I want to come off.
I'm going to put this under the jack.
Under what? That is the jack.
Under the shock. Where the
What the fuck is that going to do? That connects to the top of the frame of the
I'm
truck.
going to shove this up here, then I'm going to jack it up until the holes line up, and then put the bolts in. Or does that thing go on top and then down?
It goes on top of the...
Oh, it does.
We could try and wedge it over, though. I get what you're saying now.
I get what you're saying. Put pressure on the spring, on the shock, yeah.
Yeah, because this only goes down so far.
Well, if you pull the upper control arm, it'll come down. But I like that idea. That's
But
not
it's still going to be crooked in there.
How?
And then pry it over with a pry bar.
Because we're going to be putting...
Here, we'll just do it from an angle. Like jack it up there, and then it's got wheels. We'll pull it this way, and then lower it down into the hole.
But then I think that you got to do the bottom first and then set the top in this line.
No, the top has the long screws. You can't do it like that.
No, but the top just has bolts that go in from the top.
Here, let's just try my idea.
How do I get the upper control arm off? That's what I want to know.
Well, you take these bolts out.
No, I don't want the control arm off.
And that's got alignment on it too. See, that's how they align it. Is they move these little things here, and that adjusts the angle.
Okay, all right. Well, we can try that.
Saw what he did?
Yeah, just hit it on the
Otherwise, you have to break that bottom pin.
Turn it that way. Can we turn it?
You have to set it on a stand or something. That's what the problem is.
Just a direction.
You're just gonna damage it. You need to set that on a jack stand.
Put weight down.
And then break it loose.
Convinced that they go and they like take the shit apart and then like put it back together and then like, okay, watch me take this apart. And then they could do the next step and then like go back, put it back together and like, all right, watch me do the next step.